Everyone, welcome to our next lesson on getting anything from Google Slides onto the Merge Cube. And this project that we're going to be working on today is forces and Newton's three laws. And we have a criteria of what kind of information we're learning about this. And here are the steps that you're going to have to follow. Now, it would be a good idea to pause this video now and read these steps, and we're going to go through these in the video. So what we're going to do is the first slide here is blank. And how you get this slide is, and I'm just going to delete these text boxes, is in Google Classroom, you are going to find this specific assignment, and you can't see it from my teacher side, but what you're going to do is go add slide. Okay, we're going to add a slide, a Google slide, and normally we add Google Docs and Language Arts. We're going to add a slide today, and it's going to be blank, and I would like you to make sure it's just blank like this. And I'll show you what the information that I wanted to share. You don't have to share this. There's lots more that we learned about. And the first one is laws of inertia. So I have some text, and I have a picture that supports that text. I have more text on the second law of Newton's law and an image to support that. And now I have action and reaction, his third law, and some text in my own words. And here is an image. It's a GIF. It won't work on the Merge Cube, but I thought it was nice to watch here. So what we need to do for our first step is add a header on each slide of information and add information on each slide. So we have this first one here, and I'm going to just change the background, and I'm going to change the color to pretty much anything that you want. So I'm going to take red, and I'm going to hit done. Then it said add a header. So you're going to insert, you can do a text box. I like to do word art, and you are going to, I'll just do the first one that we did, law of inertia. So I type that in, and I have this here. Now I can change the color of this, I can change the size of this, I can kind of do whatever I want to change the color. You come here, that's the border. I can make the words yellow. So it's these two here. You can change the font, you can bold it, you can do anything you want. Now, to add the text like I have here is an insert text box. I click and I drag, and then here is where I add text. Now you can add the information that's there. Now you have to do 6 sides because there's 6 sides to the Merge Cube, so I'm hoping you're planning what you're going to have on each side first. So I would double click. This just makes it easier, and I'm going to duplicate. Then I have the same slide here, and this is where I would delete the text box, and now I can add an image. And the way I do that is I go insert, image. Now if you've found one online, you can upload it from your computer that you saved to your downloads folder, okay, or you can search on the web. So I might search for law of inertia. And see, these to me don't really explain it, and I don't want just words with text, so I might go and I'm going to just drag, click on it, drag it in, or you can come down here and hit insert. So yes, this is a GIF, but so this won't work on the Merge Cube. So I would probably open up a new tab and type in law of inertia. And then I would go images. And here is where I would try to find a really good image. Here's the one I had before. You could do something like this. I'll just show you, for example, how to save this. So we click on the image pops up. I double click or right click on a mouse, and I go save image as. Now I'm on a Mac, your Chromebook might be different. And I'm going to make sure that I save it to my downloads folder, and then I want to rename it first Newton's law. So I know what picture it is. Then I hit save. Then when I'm in here and I want to add that image, I go insert image from my computer. I make sure that I'm in my downloads folder. There it is. Upload that image, and now I can bring that to make sure that it fits on the slide. Now you are going to do this another 4 more times to make sure that you have both. But I'm going to show you how to get these onto the merge cube now. So in here, this first one, we are going to right click or double click, and we are going to, oh, sorry, I lied. We are going to go File, Download as JPEG Current Slide. Then I click on this one, File, Download as JPEG as Current Slide. And you're going to have 6 of those. Then you come to CoSpaces, and in your TR-VR class, you're going to see a project that's called Force and Newton's Law, and you are going to click on that. And just for example, we will show you Zach's here. So Zach has his merge cube here, and what I want you to do when we come back into the expectations, we've included 3 of our favorite parts, we've added images, we've duplicated the slide. Make another scene in CoSpaces. In scene 2, you're going to have to create something in Tinkercad. I'm not going to show you how to do that because you should know how to do that already. Export an OBJ from Tinkercad and put that into CoSpaces. You should be familiar with that. Then here's where we're at now. Open CoSpaces and log in. Go to Forces, Newton's Law. Remember to unlock and rise the cube to get on all 6 sides. When finished editing, download each slide as a JPEG file like I just showed you.